If dragons never existed, why did civilizations that never contacted each other describe the same creature? Across continents, across centuries, humanity remembered something. They called it the dragon of China. In ancient China, the dragon wasn't evil. It was divine. The loam, a serpentine creature with antlers, claws, scales, and the power to control rain. It ruled rivers, storms, and the heavens. Strangely, it had no wings, yet it flew. The European fire dragon. In medieval Europe, dragons were different. Massive wings, fire-breathing, guardians of gold. Knights fought them. Castles feared them. The creature called the wyvern looked shockingly like a flying reptile, almost prehistoric. India's Nāga. In ancient India, the Nāga were serpent beings. Powerful, intelligent, semi-divine. They lived underground or beneath rivers. Some texts describe them as giant multi-headed serpents. Scaled, immortal, guardians of hidden knowledge. Mesoamerica's feathered serpent. The Aztecs and Mayans worshipped Quetzalcoatl, a serpent with feathers, a sky god, a creator, a bringer of knowledge, a dragon without being called one. The Viking Dragon. Norse legends spoke of Fafnir, a dragon born from greed, coiled around treasure. Massive, serpentine, reptilian. Sound familiar? The African dragon serpent. In parts of Africa, legends speak of massive river serpents, some described as horned, some winged, some said to swallow cattle whole. Australia's rainbow serpent. Among Aboriginal traditions, a giant serpent shaped the land itself, associated with water, storms, creation. Again, a powerful reptilian force of nature. Here's where it gets strange. Early settlers in North America uncovered massive dinosaur bones, gigantic ribs, skulls, teeth. Before paleontology existed, what would you call a 40-foot skeleton with claws? A dragon. In China, dinosaur bones were once called dragon bones. They were ground into medicine, displayed in villages, passed down as proof that dragons once lived. Because to them, they did. Here's the mystery. These civilizations had no contact, no internet, no global travel. Yet they described scales, serpent-like bodies, claws, horns, fire or storm powers. Why? Some scientists suggest early humans encountered giant crocodiles, Komodo dragons, massive pythons, extinct reptiles, exaggerated through storytelling, memory becoming myth. Another theory, ancient people found fossils, massive skulls, winged skeletons. They filled in the blanks, and the dragon was born. Some researchers say dragons combine our oldest fears, snakes, birds of prey, big cats. Our brain merges predators into one ultimate monster, the dragon. Even today, there are reports, flying serpent videos, large, unidentified creatures in remote mountains. Most debunked, some unexplained. But here's what keeps the mystery alive. Why is the dragon always powerful, never weak, never small, always ancient, always dominant? What if dragons aren't one creature? What if they're humanity's interpretation of something real? Fossils, reptiles, extinct giants, or something we've forgotten? If dragons never existed, why did the entire world remember them? Different names, different stories, same creature. Maybe dragons aren't mythology. Maybe they're memory.